The driver of the accident case on 10th of July near Birla arrested. Now the news in details. The driver of the shocking road accident took place on 10th of July near Birla, Diphu, killing 3 persons of a family on the spot, has been arrested and sent to jail. It is worth mentioning that in that incident, 3 persons, including 1 child, who are resident of Dimapur, died on the spot. The relatives of the victim filed an FIR against the driver and a case number 58/22 under section 279 304A 427 IPC is registered in Diphu Sadar Thana against the escaped driver. With the input from a secret information, the driver was arrested from his hiding place near Lamding. On being interrogated, he admitted that the incidents took place when he was carrying cement from Diphu towards Dimapur. He was sent into judicial custody. Later, the police identified the driver as Govind Majumdar, son of Lal Mohan Majumdar, resident of Lamding Last Gate in the Hojai district.